good evening or magandang gabi. Tonight, let's make a quick video and let's learn how to say yes, no, and maybe sa Tagalog. Let's start. Oo. Oo. That means yes. O. O. Oo. Yes. For example, halimbawa, someone asks you, galit ka ba? Are you mad? Galit ka ba? And you wanna say yes. Oo. Oo. Oo, galit ako. Or you can just say, oo. Yes. And for example, someone asks you, are you busy? Busy ka ba? And you wanna say, no, I'm not. Hindi. Hindi. You can just say hindi or say hindi ako busy. Hindi. Hindi. And last one, maybe. For example, your best friend and her boyfriend have an LQ and one of them called you and asked you, is she mad or is he mad? Galit ba siya? And you wanna say, maybe, siguro, 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 siguro. And another example or halimbawa, your brother call you and ask you, is mom home? And you don't know because you're not home. And you wanna say, maybe, she said she'll be home by 6. Siguro, siguro, maybe. So, that's our quick video for our Learn Tagalog. And let's have some review. Yes is oo. Oo. And to say no, hindi, hindi, and maybe, siguro, siguro. So, that's it for tonight. Good night.